everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you a wash and go using Melanin Hair Care Products by Naturals85 on YouTube. I'm going to be using her Twisty Elongate and Style Cream along with the multi-use pure oil blend. As you can see, my hair is freshly washed and still somewhat wet. Before applying the products in my hair, I'm going to use the As I Am leave-in conditioner. The reason for that is because this is the twisting cream or a styling cream and not the leave-in conditioner. When applying the style cream to my hair, I'm just going to use a little bit of this product because I heard it's buildable. I'm going to be using the prayer method to apply this product in my hair. After using the style cream, I'm going to use the oil to seal in all that moisture in my hair. I'm going to be repeating the same thing to my entire hair, so keep watching. As you guys can see, my curls is well defined and shiny and I'm loving it. I must say this product is somewhat pricey, but it's worth it for the sizing. The styling cream costs $16.99 and it's 16 fluid ounces. The oil is $17.99. Now I'm going to dry and stretch my hair and I'm going to be right back. In case you guys want to see how I dry and stretch my hair, I will put the link to that video in the description box, so please look out for that. So this is my final results. My hair is so fluffy, it feels really soft, super moisturized, and it feels as though I have no products in it because it's super lightweight. I really enjoy using this product, and of course I'm going to be using it again. I can't wait to do a twist out and share it with you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye!